stiff joints, tight muscles, and lack of flexibility holding you back? It doesn't have to be this way. Imagine transforming your entire body with just a few simple stretches. Today, I'm going to share 10 powerful stretches that will improve your flexibility, reduce pain, and leave you feeling rejuvenated. Stick around, because the last stretch is the most important one, and you won't want to miss it. Let's jump in. Child's pose. This gentle stretch lengthens your spine, hips, and thighs while releasing tension in your lower back. It's especially helpful if you sit or stand for long periods. By folding forward, you increase blood flow to your brain, reducing stress and improving mental clarity. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and extend your arms forward. Breathe deeply and let your body sink into the pose. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. You'll feel an instant release. The CatCow stretch. This dynamic motion improves spinal flexibility and posture. It also wakes up your core muscles and relieves stress. Start on all fours, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Arch your back up, then dip it down. Repeat this for 8 to 10 breaths to feel your spine loosen up. Next, open up the front of your body with the Cobra Pose. This stretch targets your chest, shoulders, and abs. Perfect for undoing the effects of long hours of sitting. It strengthens the lower back and gently massages your digestive organs. Lie face down, palms under shoulders. Push through your hands to lift your chest, keeping elbows slightly bent. Hold for 20 seconds and release. Now, it's time to twist things up with the Supine Twist. This one's a game changer for releasing lower back tension and realigning your spine. It also stretches your hips and shoulders and improves digestion. Lie on your back. Pull one knee to your chest and lower across your body. Keep your shoulders flat and extend the opposite arm. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. Ready to stretch like a butterfly? Let's go. The butterfly stretch targets your inner thighs and hips. Great for increasing range of motion and easing lower back pain. Sit with soles of your feet pressed together, knees falling to the sides. Use elbows to gently press knees closer to the ground. Keep your back straight and hold for 20 seconds. Time for a full body wake up, the downward dog. This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back, all at once. It boosts circulation and calms your mind. From all fours, lift your hips into an inverted V shape. Press your heels down and your chest toward your thighs. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Let's power up with the lunge stretch, also known as the warrior pose. It opens hip flexors, strengthens legs, and improves posture, especially helpful if you sit a lot. Step one foot forward into a lunge, back leg extended. Raise your arms overhead. Hold for 20 seconds per side. Now channel your inner tree with the tree pose. This balancing stretch strengthens your legs, tones your core, and sharpens your focus. Stand tall. Shift weight to one foot. Place the opposite foot on your calf or thigh. Bring your palms together at your chest or overhead. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds each side. Next, the underrated but essential Piriformis Stretch. This stretch relieves hip tightness and eases sciatic pain. Perfect for those with lower back issues. Sit on the floor. Cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Gently pull the bottom leg toward your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds each side. Finally, we save the most important stretch for last, the corpse pose. Though it looks like you're doing nothing, this pose helps your body absorb the benefits of all the previous stretches. It reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and brings calm. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides, palms up, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Stay here for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll feel completely refreshed. Feeling better already? That's your body thanking you. Don't forget to like this video and watch the next one popping up on your screen right now. You won't regret it.